Hi guys, this will be circuit number 8, the Electrosonic human, which is very similar to number 7, the electric human, but this time they put a speaker in circuit so we can hear the change in resistance, I suppose. This project can be used as a lie detector. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's get going. 25 to 175. I think they just put these in a different order to make you think you're doing something completely different. (26 to 76). 26, 76. I'm going to use a red one. To 91. There. So 50. Transformer to 96. So transformer to capacitor. Some of these wires are getting a little bit weak. 50 to 96 and then on to 92 to there. 2 capacitors then. A 104 and a 103. 52, other side of the transformer to 77. Transistor, and then on to 95. 77. 52. And I think a white one will reach there. (77 to 95). Okay. 53, the other side of the transformer, or the other coil of the transformer, to 173, speaker. 53, 173. 54, the other side of the other coil, 54 to 174. So that's our speaker in circuit. 58, battery to 51. To the middle tap on that coil. And then on to 138, which is the middle of the variable resistor. So that's quite a long one. Blue, I think, will do. Okay. 60 battery to 140 on off switch. That's going to have to be a yellow one, I reckon. Yeah. $60 to 140 to 78. That's got to be the transistor. Yeah, we'll go red with that one. $78 to 141. Really? Ah, silly man. $60 to 140 was right, but we don't go from there to 78. It's 141 to 78. Misread that. There was a comma, not a dash. 137 to 176. 137 to 176. Okay. That's going to be a yellow one. And then a couple of wires in the terminals here. Got one long yellow one left. And the other will have to be a blue one. Okay. So if we put the batteries in, turn it on. We do have a noise. So I'll move the camera so you can hear the noise better. Right, nothing to see as such, just hoping you can hear better because the microphone's just about there somewhere. So we hold these, squeeze them. And depending on how hard I squeeze them, it gets faster the harder I squeeze. Yeah, okay. Just wet my finger. That's it. As I understand it, you're supposed to sweat when you're lying. I was going to say swearing. Sweat when you're lying, so your resistance changes. So, job done. Number 8, the Electrosonic Human. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.